Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could be your next favorite backpack, the Travel Laptop Backpack by BIKROD. Designed to hold laptops up to 17 inches. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a traveler, this backpack promises to blend functionality, durability, and style into one solid package. Let's see what makes this backpack stand out. Starting with the design, this backpack comes in a sleek black color that's versatile enough for any setting, from school hallways to office corridors. Its dimensions are 19.1 inches by 13.8 inches by 7.9 inches, which provides ample room without making it bulky. With a capacity of around 25 to 35 liters, it's designed to handle everything from your laptop and books to clothes and other daily essentials. One of the key highlights is the dedicated laptop compartment. This padded, soft sponge-lined section is built to securely fit laptops up to 17 inches, including various sizes of MacBooks and notebooks. This feature ensures your device stays safe from bumps and scratches while you're on the move. Alongside this compartment, the main section is spacious enough to hold thin clothes, magazines, chargers, and more. Organizational features are thoughtfully planned. The backpack includes a front compartment designed for smaller items like passports, pens, wallets, and glasses. There's also an easy-access front pocket perfect for keys, tissues, or earbuds, making quick retrieval hassle-free. On both sides, mesh pockets accommodate water bottles or umbrellas, helping you stay hydrated or prepared for unexpected weather. Durability is another strong suit of this backpack. It's made from sturdy, water-resistant polyester fabric paired with metal zippers that promise long-lasting use. Whether you're caught in the rain or navigating busy city streets, this material should stand up to everyday wear and tear, keeping your belongings protected. An innovative feature is the built-in USB charging port. The charging port is located externally, while the internal cable connects to a power bank you carry inside. This design allows you to conveniently charge your phone or other devices on the go, without digging through your backpack or dealing with tangled wires. Comfort has also been considered with a breathable airflow bag design that includes thick, soft padding arranged in multiple panels to provide maximum support. The shoulder straps are adjustable and padded as well, aiming to reduce stress on your shoulders even when the backpack is fully loaded. Plus, a foam-padded top handle allows for comfortable hand carrying when needed. Security gets a boost with a hidden anti-theft pocket on the back. This is ideal for safeguarding valuable items like your passport or phone, giving you peace of mind in crowded places or during travel. Additionally, the backpack features a luggage strap on the back so you can easily slide it over the handle of your suitcase for effortless transport through airports or train stations. While this backpack is suitable for anyone above 3 years old, its versatile size and features make it especially ideal for students, professionals, and travelers. Whether you're heading to class, a business meeting, or a weekend getaway, it's designed to keep your essentials organized, protected, and easily accessible. In summary, the BIKROD Travel Laptop Backpack offers a great balance of storage space, protective features, durability, and comfort. Its smart compartments and handy USB charging port cater well to modern-day needs, while the sturdy build and thoughtful design make it a reliable companion for everyday use. If you're looking for a stylish yet practical backpack that can handle a heavy load without compromising on comfort, this might just be the one. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews on the latest products. See you next time.